side of his face and like all of it, like eyebrows, head, and legs, commitment, but then still had a full face of hair on the other side. He went as an Amish person one time. I think in one of the ones he did that, like,
it's the white dude, right?
Correct, yes. Yeah. Same guy wearing the Mark Rippon jersey the other day.
No person of color fuck around like that with cops. Only a dopey white guy would do that. It's unbelievable. What a commitment, though.
I'm so sick of it.
That's cool. I trust you. It's funny if I leave here, I'm like, what the fuck?
Your hair's like blue, green, curly, not curly.
Like, what the hell is happening?
Everything's away?
Yep, this is away from the face, and then you just roll it up, down, and then just try to make sure the end is like underneath that when you cinch it up. And I'm doing 2.
Okay. Smells like rotten egg.
That's what it is. Like,
Oh, so I can fart? Yeah, we're just have to step back a little bit here.
yeah, I'm putting my face too close to it.
Do you need a mask too?
You're gonna get height out of this too.
Yeah, it was kid, right? It wasn't play. Last month I think we were there one day. That's cool. Maybe some time to go over and hang out with them.
Actually, I have the same hair. I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, that was awesome.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you putting me in there. I was like, that dude, what are you going for? I don't know, just 89 B-boy. And, yo, I was pissed because I was at A-Bag that night eating dinner with a friend, and I was just like, I'm gonna behave, because everybody at the bar was like, yo, are you going to Belt for karaoke? I was like, no, I'm behaving. I had that old Karen, so I'm still high again. Yeah, Kelvin's cool, I haven't seen him in a while. Yeah, that's my god.
20 years from now, I want you to really enjoy those 3 or 4 minutes you watching me play.
My man, as good as I'm gonna look. I'm on my way to the driver's license center, gonna get this picture taken. Man, I look good. Hey, how are you? Pretty good.
Hi, Roger.
Cool, good.
Sean, what's your date of birth?
28,798 Chateau Circle.
I look different every single time. Cool. Thank you.
Let's see that. Wait.
Here's your old one.
Oh.
Do you have a license?
I do.
Okay, there you go.
Shirt says hi.
Oh, yeah, tell us why.
For sure. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Hi, Taylor. It's calling from AAA to let you know that your foreign currency is in. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, and Saturday, 9 to 1. Please make sure to bring your license for identification purposes when you come. We'll always look forward to seeing that one. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.
Are there a lot of spots on my face?
It's not like, does it come off easily?
No.
Yeah.
He said, yeah.